Welcome to Tutorial Sensei. You'll need vidmate for downloading video, CapCut for changing frame, MP4 for wallpaper, video wall for setting up. I'll leave link in the description of all of them. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial Sensei, and please like and share my video. First of all, you'll need to change frame of video in CapCut. I've already done. Let's start. Do you want sound in video wallpaper? I'm sorry, but this isn't ad-free app. You can only set home screen video wallpaper. Now, let's check it's working.